Alright, we've seen that if atoms share electrons and the total number of protons and electrons are the same, that means it's electrically neutral, you have what's called a molecule, right? Now, if you have sharing of electrons between two or more atoms, but as a whole, the entire group has an electrical charge, that means there's electrons lost or gained as a whole, then what you have is called a polyatomic ion. So you can think of a polyatomic ion as a molecule that is charged. That's one way of thinking about it. Okay? That's what a polyatomic ion is. And the formula for a polyatomic ion, just like for the formula for a molecule, it should indicate what atoms are present, how many of each atom is present, using subscripts, and then you have to specify the actual charge, the overall charge for the group, and specify that as a superscript. So, for example, the polyatomic ion called nitrate has the formula NO3 minus. What does that mean? How many protons and electrons are there in one nitrate ion then? Well, let's figure it out. Nitrogen has how many protons? Each oxygen has how many protons? And how many oxygens do we have? Times 3. So total number of protons would be 31 protons. How many electrons do you have?
31 because it's electrically neutral.
It's not neutral. There's a -1 charge. It's an ion. It's a polyatomic. If you call it an ion, then that means it's not neutral. So it can't have the same number of protons and electrons. What does a -1 mean?
It means
Yeah, one more electron than proton, 32 electrons. The charge is 31 minus 32, -1. Okay.